We want to simplify x equals the square root of the sum of 5 and 2 times the square root of 6 times the square root of the difference of 5 and 2 times the square root of 6. First, simplify the product inside the outer square root. This is the square root of the product of the square roots. Now we multiply the conjugates. This results in 5 squared minus 2 times the square root of 6 squared, which equals 1. So we have the square root of the product equals the square root of 1, which is 1. Thus, x equals 1. Comparing with the options, option D is the correct answer, which is 1.